Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can mute video on your iPhone without any app. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, go to the gallery, choose the video you want to mute it. For example, this one, click on edit. On the top left corner you have a sound option. If click on it, the video is muted. Click on done, and now your video hasn't any sound. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.